In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on camera access on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select privacy and security. On the right side, you want to go underneath Windows permissions and then just keep scrolling down. At the bottom, underneath app permissions, select camera. Toggle camera access to the on position at the top, and you can also customize it for specific application permissions as well. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.